Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease volume inside Premiere Pro. It's really easy and simple. What I have here is a clip of audio and I'll demonstrate to you guys how to do this really easily. So first I'm just going to play it and let you guys hear what it sounds like. And then I will show you how to increase or decrease the volume. So as you can see, it's pretty neutral. What you have here is right and left, and between there is a volume level line which you can increase or decrease. If you decrease it, obviously it's going to be less volume, and if you increase it, it's going to be more volume. So let's try that. We're going to go to the max and let's see how it sounds. And as you can see, my bars here have increased very much. Now if I decrease it, it's the same thing. It decreases sound. Now let's say, what if you want to increase for some part of the audio and decrease for other parts of the audio. So what you can do, that's again really simple and easy. You're gonna grab your pen tool. Now click on the pen tool, and let's say we want to go from here to here. So as you can see, they have like put two dots in there, and then you can control those two dots and those audio between those two dots. So if I drag this down, as you can see, the line moves down. If I drag it up, the line moves up. So let's play that part. Let's see how it sounds. And as you hear, it kind of deflates. And it deflates to nothing. Now if I want to make it back up and I want it to be on this part of the sequence, I'm just going to make another point and I'm going to drag the line up again. So we go from here and then it increases again. And that's how you increase and decrease the music in the background or in your videos. Well, that's pretty much it. Go out there, have fun and play with it, and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much, guys.